Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is what is the output of a given program? So void main. We are declaring array size is 5. Assign the values are 8, 18, 28, 38, 48. So int asterisk ptr. So ptr is equal to arr plus 1. So ptr plus plus or plus plus ptr, anything plus plus ptr plus plus asterisk ptr next plus plus ptr minus minus asterisk ptr, then printf percentage d percentage d percentage d comma ptr of -1 comma ptr of 0 comma ptr of 1. So what is the output of a given program? Okay, here the array size is 5, so memory is allocated for 5 elements. So first element, second element, third, and then fourth. The name of the array is arr. The first element is arr of 0, arr of 0. Next element arr of 1. Next one is arr of 2, arr of 3, arr of 4. The base addresses, first address is I am taking 500, next address is 502, next address is 504, next address is 506, next address is 508. So first element is 8, next one is 18, next element 28, next element 38, next element is 48. Int asterisk ptr. Ptr is a pointer variable. The memory is allocated for ptr. Variable name is ptr. So I will take some base address 600. Initial value is garbage value. Next, ptr is equal to, this is the base address. Array name always gives base address of an array. So ARR. So ARR value is base address of an array. Base address of an array is 500. Okay, next, ptr is equal to ARR plus 1. ARR plus 1 means it is pointing to next address. Next address is 502. 502 is stored in ptr. So this value is replaced with 502. 502. Now ptr is pointing to this address. Next, plus plus ptr, that means the ptr is increment by 1. Okay, ptr value is 502, it is increment by 1. That means whenever we have to increment the pointer, it is pointing to next location. Okay, so this is integer pointer. Whenever you are increment the 1, it is increment by next address, that is 504. This can be replaced with 504. Now this one is pointing to this address. Next, so PTR means 504, asterisk PTR means 504 address variable, that is error of 2 is incremented by 1 plus plus, that means this value is increment by 1, this value is 29. Next, plus plus PTR, next PTR is pointing to next location. Here next address is 506. Now the pointer is pointing to this location. Okay, next one. The statement is executed. What is PTR? PTR is 506. What is asterisk PTR? 506 address variable, that is error of 3 is decrement by 1 minus minus, that means this value is decrement by 1. This value should be replaced with 37. Next, PTR of minus 1, PTR of 0, PTR of 1. So PTR of 1 can be written as PTR of minus 1 can be written as asterisk PTR minus 1. So what is PTR? 506. Minus 1 means it is pointing to previous address. 504. Asterisk means asterisk of 504. Asterisk means 504 address variable, that is error of 2. So error of 2 value is 29. Error of 2. This value is equal to 29. Next, PTR of 0. So PTR of 0 can be written as asterisk PTR plus 0. So PTR is 506. Asterisk means 506 address variable, that is error of 3. So error of 3 value is 37. Next, PTR of 1, that this can be written as asterisk PTR plus 1. So asterisk PTR is 506, asterisk means plus 1 means it is pointing to next address. This value asterisk means 508 address variable, error of 4. Error of 4 value is 48. We have to run this code. The output is 29, 37 and 48. We have to run this code. Void main. Save this file F2. So file name is error of 5.c. So void main int error of 5. So values is 8, 18, 28, 38, 48. So int asterisk of PTR. PTR is equal to error plus 1. So plus plus PTR plus plus asterisk PTR plus plus PTR minus minus asterisk PTR. So printf %d space %d space %d comma PTR minus 1 comma PTR of 0 comma PTR of 1. So F7. array size. Here I am declare debug. I will also adding ptr value. So initial value is garbage value. Next address is ARR plus 1 means ARR of 1 address, F7 address. Now ptr is pointing to this value. Next ptr is increment by 1. It is pointing to 28. This value is changed. Next asterisk ptr means ARR of 2. This value is increment by 1. This is 29. This value is 29. Next ptr value is pointing to this address. Address is changed. Next asterisk ptr is ARR of 3. It is decrement by 1. This is 37. Next ptr. Now ptr is pointing to 37. ptr minus 1 means pointing to previous address. This is 29. ptr of 0 means 37. ptr of 1 means pointing to the next address 48. So alt F5. So output is just to clear the screen. CLR SCR F2 alt F9. Yes, control F9 alt F5 alt F5 29 37 48.